In this video, we will discuss example 5a and 5b in page 71 in chapter 1 in your handout. A. Integration of sec squared 3x tangent cube 3x dx. Here, we can see that the powers of secant is even. So, the first step, we need to split sec squared and put at the back beside dx. After that, write the rest of the function so that when we simplify everything, it will be able to retrieve the function given in the question. Under the powers of secant tangent, we will use U substitution to evaluate the integral. We already know that to integrate powers of secant tangent, the choice of U is either secant or tangent. So, it's not hard to make a choice of U. We just think between secant and tangent, when we differentiate, which one gives us the function that we split up. So, in this case, our U is tangent 3x. Why? It is because when we differentiate, our du over dx will be 3 sec squared 3x. We get back the function we split up. Okay? And under U substitution, we need to write dx as a subject. So we have dx equals to, we move here, so we have du over 3 sec squared 3x. And after that, we need to replace. We replace tangent 3x by u here. So we have tangent cube 3x equals to u cube. And then we replace dx by du over 3 sec squared 3x here. Okay. And then we still have sec squared 3x here. And after that, we can simplify sec squared 3x and sec squared 3x. After we simplify, we have integration of u cube times du over 3. Then we can move out constant 1 over 3 outside integration sign, and we have integration of u cube du. Now we have variable u and du, and no more trigo function. So means that we can integrate using power rule. So now we integrate u cube using power rule with respect to u. We still have 1 over 3 here, and we integrate u cube. So we have u the power of 4 over 4 plus c. Okay, and after that, we simplify and we replace back u equals to tangent x. So we have 1 over 3 times 4, so we have 1 over 12 tangent the power of 4 3x plus c. So this is the final answer. Okay? Okay, now we continue with example 5b in page 71 in chapter 1 in your handout. Okay? B. Integrate sec the power of 4 5x tangent cube 5x dx. Here, we can see that the powers of secant is even. So, the first step, we need to split sec squared and put at the back beside dx. After that, write the rest of the function so that when we simplify everything, it will be able to retrieve the function given in the question. Under the powers of secant tangent, we will use U substitution to evaluate the integral. We already know that to integrate powers of secant tangent, the choice of U is either secant or tangent. So, it's not hard to make a choice of U. We just think between secant and tangent, when we differentiate, which one gives us the function that we split up. In this case, our u is tangent 5x. Why? It is because when we differentiate, our du over dx is equals to 5 sec squared 5x. And we get back the function we split up. Okay? And under u substitution, we need to write dx as a subject. So now we have our dx equals to du over 5 sec squared 5x. And after that, we need to replace. Okay? From u equals to tangent 5x, so tangent 5x, we can replace by u. So tangent cube 5x, we can replace by u cube. And then we replace dx by du over 5 sec squared 5x. Okay? And we still have sec squared 5x here. And sec squared 5x here. Okay? I will discuss this later. Okay? And then from sec squared 5x and sec squared 5x here, we can simplify. Okay? Okay, after that, we need to change, at the same time, we need to change sec squared 5x equals to 1 plus tangent squared 5x. Why? Because we need to write in terms of variable u. To write in terms of variable u, we need to write in terms of tangent because we define u equals to tangent 5x. How we get this formula? Okay, sec squared 5x equals to 1 plus tangent 5x, tangent squared 5x, we get from identity. Okay, if we have same angle 5x, 5x, so means that function sec squared 5x will equals to 1 plus tangent squared 5x. Okay, and after we use trigo identity, and we get in terms of tangent, so we can write in terms of u. Okay, now we have in terms of variable u only, no more variable x and trigo, and du. Okay, so after this, what we do is, we move out constant 1 over 5 outside integration sign, and at the same time, we expand. Okay, we expand u cube times 1, so we have u cube times u squared, so we have u the power of 5 using properties of indices. And then after this, we have u in terms of power, and du, and no more trigo function. So means that we can integrate with respect to u, and we can use power rule. Okay, so we still have 1 over 5 outside here. And then we integrate u cube, we have u the power of 4 over 4, plus we integrate u the power of 5, we have u the power of 6 over 6 plus c. And finally, we need to replace back u equals to tangent 5x. Okay, so at the same time, we also need to expand. So we have 1 over 5 times 4 is 20. So we have 1 over 20 tangent the power of 4 5x, and then 1 over 5 we multiply by 1 over 6, so we have 1 over 30. U is tangent 5x, and then the power of 6 plus c. So this is the final answer for example 5b. Okay, you got it? Okay, in next video, we will discuss the same example with this video. Okay, A, integrate sec squared 3x tangent cube 3x dx, and B, integrate sec the power of 4 5x tangent cube 5x dx. In this video, we discuss using secant even method. But in next video, we will discuss using tangent odd method. So, stay tuned. Bye. Assalamualaikum.